It took my energy, it took my personal life, it took my social life, it took everything away from me. That work was stressing me so much that I couldn't do anything. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Just been here. If you're new here, kindly join the family. I have been away for so long. I know, okay? But if you're new here and you're already liking the vibe here, you can join the family, subscribe to this channel, and I bet you're going to love every single day you spend here, right? Long time no see. I mean, I've been out, a lot has been happening in my life, and I feel like I owe you guys an update. What actually has been going through my life? Like, why haven't I been posting regularly here? Why? A lot has been going on in my life. My work life, my personal life, my family as well. There's a lot of things that has been going on with my work issue. If you follow me long enough, you know I always say that I'm a cashier at a restaurant at Labadi Beach Hotel. I changed positions, so I'm no more at the restaurant. I'm at the Forex area now. So me being at the restaurant, it was very, very hectic, because you guys know, if you worked in a restaurant before, you know how hectic working in a restaurant can be, because on holidays, busy days and all that days, that's the days people come there very much. Like, you know, you'll be done with your shift and you come home, you'll be so tired, you can't even touch your camera, you can't even touch nothing. Like, you can't do nothing. It took my energy, it took my personal life, it took my social life, it took everything away from me. That work was stressing me so much that I couldn't do anything. Thanks be to God, I have been able to move from the restaurant to the Forex side, which is a bit more flexible. So now I can be with you guys more. Yeah. So secondly, my family life, my little brother was diagnosed with childhood cancer. It's dawned on us suddenly. It was something that we didn't expect. We didn't even know he had something like this on, but he was diagnosed with it. It started as a stomach pain. We took it to the hospital and they did turn into something else. But God being so good, he's been able to undergo surgery. He's done with his chemotherapy with the help of one or two people that were able to send us money to cater for all that bills. Thanks to everybody. If you're watching me now and you know you sent a little money, well, I didn't announce it on my Instagram or TikTok, but I know some family and friends also watch me here. Okay, so if you did support us, we just want to say thank you so much. We are grateful. Thank you. Thirdly, my personal and social life. A lot has been happening. I mean, I moved on from a certain kind of relationship that I was in that wasn't helping me physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, everything. It was just so bad for me, to the extent that I was so depressed. I just didn't even feel like talking to people outside. I didn't have that social life outside. And God being so good, I've been able to move away from that. And now I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy. And if you've not been there before, you don't know. Like, you don't know. But if you've been there before, I mean, you understand what I'm talking about now. Thanks be to God, he took me out of that. He took me out of that without even me realizing that I needed that. You know, you won't realize that you need that. Or you feel like, oh, it's time, it's normal, things happen, it's going to change. But when you come out of it, you know that you really, really needed that. Okay, what next? I'm back on here. My schedule is going to be just once per week. I'm going to post every Saturday. I'm not so sure about the timing yet. That's 6 p.m, 5 p.m. I'm just going to check my analytics as well and maybe talk to you guys. Like, if you guys can give me suggestions below as well, the timing that is going to help you watch my videos, that will also be very much appreciated. So I'm going to be posting once every week from now. I'm also not going to be doing just makeup like I used to do before. I'm going to be doing makeup. I'm going to be doing lifestyle. Like, you guys are going to come with me to certain places that I feel like it's good for me to vlog or something. Yeah, so you're going to come with me to those places. I'm going to add my fitness to it. Like, yeah, I lost some weight. Yeah, I lost about 13 kg. 13 kg is not easy. It's not easy. Oh, it's not easy, but I lost 13 kg and I'm willing to do more. Like I'm still on the journey. You know, it's an up and down journey. That's one thing people don't tell you about weight loss. It's an up and down journey. You're not going to start and feel like it's just going to be smooth for you. No, it's not. It's not going to be smooth. There's going to be ups and downs every time. Even today, I was looking at myself in the mirror. I'm like, I'm becoming fat. Somebody who says she's on a weight loss journey, but that's how weight loss is. Like I said, we're going to be doing makeup, beauty, everything in general. Hair, I actually did this hair myself, so maybe I'm going to incorporate a bit of hair videos in, like me braiding my hair, me styling my hair videos. Yeah, we're going to do lifestyle, like I said before, so vlogs, what's happening in my life. We're going to chit chat, get ready with me and all that, you know, just something fun. So that being said, our next post is going to be next week Saturday. Guys, remember, next week Saturday. But first, I want to ask you guys, what do you want to see next on my channel? If you have a particular video you want me to create, or you have something in mind that you want me to do for you, I am so open to suggestions. Like, we are filming for you. So if we are not listening to you, then who are we filming for? So if you have any suggestions whatsoever, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be so glad to go through them and film them for you. Okay, this time around, I just want to come out here and be so transparent to you guys. I'm not going to sit and all the time just be doing my makeup. I just want to talk to you guys a bit more so that you can know me personally. And that being said, that's the end of this video. If you are not subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, okay, so that you get alerted every time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.